Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I found this beautiful horse sculpture on Pottery Barn's website for $197. Very pricey, so I want to make it cheaper. Wow, I really love how it turned out. Let's see how much this cost me. I found the Barbie horse at a thrift store for $3. The spackling was $12 for the tub. I'll add $3 for what I used. The scrap piece of wood was something I had laying around. The dowel is from a pack of dowels, so let's add $0.25 for that. And for the paints and baking soda, I'll add another $1. So this Pottery Barn dupe cost me only $7.25. Wow, now that's real thrifty. Tell me what you think down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye for now.